Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a dependent drop-down list. In my previous videos, I have shown how to create a normal drop-down list in Excel. If you have not watched the video, I am leaving link in the description. You can watch from there. So, what is a dependent drop-down? The drop-down list present in this cell is dependent on this cell. How do we create the dependency between these two cells? For example, in the state I have selected Kerala. So in city it should display only the city names of the Kerala, not the other cities names. Like we have in Telangana we have Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Warangal, and in Karnataka JP Nagar, Bangalore. Likewise in Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. And let us see how do we do that. Let me clear these cells. And we do have certain steps. For the example I have taken, the first step is create a normal drop down list for the list of states, and next create name range containing cities and name the range with state names for that particular list, and create a drop down list using indirect formula. Let us start with the first step, that is we are going to create a drop down list for the list of states. Here I have total 5 states. So for these 5 states I need to create a drop down in this cell, right? Place the cursor in this cell, go to data, validation, from the allow select list, and in source select this cell range from G6 to K6, and those are fixed. Click OK, and you can see here the drop down list created including 5 states. So our first step is completed. And second step, create a name range containing cities. In these cities, in Telangana we have almost 6 cities, and in Karnataka 5, Andhra Pradesh 6, Kerala 5, and Tamil Nadu 7. I have taken these for an example. To create a name range for Telangana state, select the cells and go to name box and type the state name. And remember, this name should match with the drop down list created here. For Telangana it should be the same one, not the other names like state 1, state 2, because the name range which we are going to create is dependent on the previous drop down list. So write the name and enter, and similarly create for next state Karnataka. Enter. Similarly create for Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Select the cells, go to name box, enter. The error here is while giving the name range there should not be no spaces like I entered here. So I should not give any space between the name of the name range. So it should be Andhra Pradesh, no space. You can see here. And it should also match with the previous drop down list. So I need to change here also. I'm removing the space and enter the name range name. Next for Kerala, select the cells. Kerala. Next for Tamil Nadu, select the cells and go here, Tamil Nadu. So all the name ranges has been created. You can cross check here. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. You can also create a name range for entire table by using formulas tab, create from selection. You can go here, and first you need to select the cells, all the cells, by using shift and control like this, and then go to formulas, create from selection, and then tick the top row because you have the names at the top row, and click OK. All the name range gets created. Since I have already created, I am not going ahead here. So our second step is also completed. Now the third step, we need to use the indirect formula and create a drop down list. Come to here, this cell. So this cell city cell is dependent on the state cell. So for city, go to data tab and then validation, select list, and here in the source write is equal to indirect INDIRECT indirect, open the brackets and select the state cell, this cell. In this cell we have already a drop down, and close the brackets, enter. You can check the formula here, it's indirect and cell number, and remember the cell is fixed. We have included dollar for the row and column, and click OK. Now you can check. Click on this drop down list and you can see the list of cities under Telangana state. If you select Karnataka, you will get the list of these 5. You can see here JP Nagar, Bangalore, Mysore. Similarly for remaining states also, Tamil Nadu and okay, understood? And if you want to copy to remaining cells, this state you can copy. It gets copied and you can change the values. The values also gets changed here, but it doesn't happen with the city. Here I cannot copy this like this. I'll get only Chennai only. If I select the state also, if I select Telangana, I should get these cities list, but I won't get. I'll get only Tamil Nadu cities, because while defining a data validation here, if you go back to data and validation, you can see here the row and column is fixed. H row and column 16, sorry, column H and row 16 is fixed. Here we need to fix only column, not the row. The row should change when we drag the cell. For that we need to remove dollar symbol here, so that the whenever we drag the cursor, the row gets changed, and click OK. And now drag the cell, and now you check the drop down. Here in this cell we have Telangana, and if you click drop down, you will get cities of Telangana, and for Andhra Pradesh you get cities of Andhra Pradesh, and similarly for other states also. Understood? We can also do multiple dependent drop down list in a similar fashion. Let me show you a simple example. Here I have country, state and city. Whenever I select India, I should get list of states present in India, and then whenever I select the state, I need to get the cities present in that state. How do we do this? The steps are same. First you need to create the drop down list for the countries, and then you need to create the name range for states, cities, and n number of columns are added. You need to create n number of name range. First create a drop down for the countries. There are 2 countries. Go to data. I am going bit fast because I have already shown you clearly how we have to do this. Okay, and source, select these 2 cells. These 2 are countries, and okay. These 2. Okay, so I have got the drop down here, India and America. And next create the name range for states. Go to select these 2 states and type India. This is the country name. And similarly for America, select these 2 cells and write America. And similarly create name range for these cities. These 2 belong to Telangana. So here I am going to write Telangana. Select 2 cells, write Telangana. Next select these 2 cells, give Karnataka. Select these 2 cells and give Alaska. And the last one, select these 2 cells, give the state name. That's it. We have created name range for everything. Now come to this state cell and then go to data, validation, list, and here source is equal to indirect. Select this state, this country, and OK. Similarly, go here, go to data, validation, indirect, and select this cell and OK. The source currently evaluates an error because it contains a blank cell. Once you enter, it will get corrected. Yes, click yes, and now go to state and check. First select the country. Let me select India only. And India we have two states, Telangana and Karnataka. Telangana, and in city in Telangana we have Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Here Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Similarly, you can check for America also. America, two states, Alaska, and two cities. Right? In this way, you can create n number of dependent drop-down list. Hope you understand the concept. Please do like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.